Meet Francis, whose life journey from 2020 to 2023 unfolded in Yokohama, Japan. Initially impacted by the pandemic, his weight soared as isolation took a toll. The turning point came in 2021 with hospitalization and diagnoses of lower back pain, sciatica, and spinal stenosis. A 2021 incident post-COVID vaccine led to a loss of sense of smell and taste, further complicating his health. Despite struggles, 2022-2024 saw Francis and his wife's resilient road to recovery. In 2024, triumph echoed as Francis conquered hurdles, a testament to the human spirit's strength. How did his story start? Amid the solitude of the pandemic, Francis's choices, too much work, gaming, and comfort foods affected both body and mind. His IT job's sedentary nature worsened his health, compounded by a weekly free pizza benefit. A 2021 incident marked hospitalization, but recovery remained elusive. The loss of smell and taste, weight gain, and depression layered his challenges. Job dissatisfaction prompted a career shift in 2022, while positive changes in 2022-2023 included exercise, diet adjustments, and a new job in finance. A re-injury setback and a loss of smell after the COVID vaccine added complexity. Small steps such as morning exercises and lifestyle changes marked improvement. A pivotal moment in August 2023 introduced a backstretcher, signaling the beginning of Francis's full recovery. Emotional struggles lingered, but with ongoing efforts and support, his lower back pain reduced significantly. Francis's story is one of resilience, recovery, and the transformative power of choices. Francis's journey to overcome chronic pain and mental struggles began with a determination to create positive change. In 2023, he started a YouTube channel focused on holistic solutions and practicing what he preached. He faced challenges during a Nagoya adventure and a Halloween event in Yokohama. Realizing the need for drastic measures, Francis tackled the root cause, his weight. Engaging with his family in a Biggest Loser contest, he adopted a comprehensive approach to health, integrating newfound insights on food quality. Inspired by a glucose goddess and Dr. Daniel Amen podcast video, he upgraded his diet, incorporated ginkgo biloba, and maintained a disciplined routine. Within a month, he shed 9-10 kilograms with significant pain reduction. A transformative snow adventure in Hakuba showcased his improved physical abilities. January 2024 brought fasting into his regimen, yielding remarkable results. Francis celebrated a pain-free walkathon and a commute without sciatic discomfort. As 2024 unfolded, his triumph over physical and mental adversities signified a victorious rebirth, promising a future dedicated to sharing insights on recovery and well-being.